Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube. If you're new or if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, as well as tapping that bell so you're notified every time that I upload. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into the video. As you can see, I'm preparing to bleach my sister's hair for the first time. Her hair was previously dyed this like brownish color, but she wanted to go lighter, so that's what we're doing here. And she's just trying to figure out how far up she wants to go with the bleaching. So that is what we're doing right now. So I'm just parting her hair into 4 sections just so that it'll be easier to work with. And I'm just putting hair ties to hold them in place up until the part that she wants the bleaching to stop. So I'm going to go ahead and use my BW2 bleaching powder, and I'm going to go ahead and pour that into my bowl. And then I'm going to go in with the 40 volume developer, and I'm just going to pour it little by little until I reach that thick consistency. So this is the consistency that we're looking for, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that right on her hair. And just an FYI, you would want to wear a shirt that you don't really care about too much, because it will bleach your shirt, or at least put a towel on your back so that you're not like ruining your top. So the reason why I only started like a little bit lower than where she originally told me is because we only started with 4 packs of the bleaching powder, and I wanted to make sure that I can stretch it enough for all of her hair. So I'm just going back and filling in any spaces and empty gaps. Okay, so we used the entire 4 packs of the bleaching powder, and it was literally just enough. So I would suggest, if you're looking into bleaching your entire head and you have just about her hair length and thickness, going about 8 to 10 packs. But personally, I would suggest buying the entire jar container that has the powder. I think it'll be a cheaper price as opposed to buying them individually. We just let that sit for about 5 minutes. It didn't really take long, so yeah. And you'll notice it will start to change color. So I'll be using the purple shampoo as well as the neutralizing shampoo so that her hair won't continue to be bleaching after she has washed it. So now we're back, and I'm using the Paul Mitchell leave-in conditioner as well as some coconut oil to moisturize and condition her hair. And yeah, so this is the final look. We didn't really do much to it. I'm gonna see if she can send me a picture where I can insert it of her styling her hair. But as far as color, this is how it turned out, and she absolutely loved it. Okay, so this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you don't like it, if you like it, go ahead and rate. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. And I will see you guys in my next one.